time for the finals. Hey guys, welcome back to Kayla Nitto. Today we're doing a speed round of the finals. Okay, so stretching ability, bad, against the blue slime. Stretching ability, got better a little. Now poking time. 6 out of 10. 6.5. Pig slime 1. So it's going against the next slime in the next video.